Ghost Produce.
Bitch, don't be blowing up my spot. That's some snitch it if you talking to the ops. That's a fuck up on your part. If you sellin' to the ops, they ain't never seeing me. I just keep it smooth, driving around my city, sucking on some titties. All these hoes wanna get with me. I'm cracked, so they stick with me like Bobby did Winnie. So come get with me. So come get with me. So come get with me. She try to seal that deal with that pussy game. I'm a real spitter, she want that game from a real pimp. I'm walking with the cane. Haters get kicked out like Luke Kane. Check out that new kicks main. When I'm flipping that work, check out the wrist game. They act all hard till I go beast mode. They run a run game, so I got cheat codes. Rolling on the plane, might get smoked. Rolling in a phantom, turn to a ghost. Spin around the block, better act like you know. Don't be baby, sitting that blunt and pass that dro. Pulled off in a spaceship, feeling like George Jetson. Being different is an investment. Hoes don't have good intentions, the money's Excedrin. I ain't with that bullshit, staying in the present. Family's what I'm reppin'. This shit's never ending. Got it on a pendant from another dimension. But yeah, bitch, don't be blowing up my spot. That's some snitch shit if you talking to the ops. They ain't never seeing me. I just keep it smooth, drive around my city. Mischief, bitch.